Finally, opened an Igbo language school at kedu.me. If you're interested in learning the Igbo language this year, kedu.me offers a group study hosted by a trained expert that'll walk you through the Igbo language part by part, as well as a day-to-day coach who will reach out to you and coach you in learning the language through casual conversation. All of this is designed to help you become a confident and fluent language speaker, whether you're a beginner and you know little, or somebody who knows a little but wishes to reconnect to their heritage by learning more and becoming fluent. We also have Kedu Kids for children, so if you have nieces, nephews, sons, and daughters, they're going to love learning on our platform. Light and darkness are two spouses in the same cosmic house, which is Eke. So as Eke represents day, it also represents night. From Eke, we understand that it is light and darkness, passive and active, feminine and masculine, that form all things, which go to shape creation and the remainder of the 4 days. Our ancestors devised the art of Afa, or divination, which can be done in an array of ways, but the most accurate and existentially potent form is Afa Ugili. Now, explaining Afa Ugili in a segment won't do it justice, so if you want to see a video on Afa, comment below. In alignment with Eke, the element of creation and light, the cosmic house by which light and dark live, Afa Ugili has two parent principles. The first is Akon, which is when all nodes are negative, and the second is Obi, which is when all nodes are positive. Akon representing darkness, and Obi representing light. Flipping the Ugili therefore creates a dance between light and dark, positive and negative, creation and destruction, giving birth to all other messages and visions within Afa. Eke, being the cosmic house of light and darkness, is therefore the most sacred day in Igbo communities, and must be said first when listing the market days as not to offend her, as she is the most temperamental. Eke is